Looking for the best full suspension mountain bike for adults but not sure which one is actually worth your money? Today, we're ranking 5 popular models from weakest to best, so you can ride with confidence and zero regrets. Starting off our list in 5th place, we have the WEIZE KB-B6007. This is the most basic option in today's lineup, and it's clearly aimed at beginners who just want to get off the pavement and onto light trails without spending a fortune. You're getting a full suspension setup here, which means both a front fork and a rear shock to help smooth out bumps. For casual rides on dirt paths or park trails, that extra cushioning definitely makes a difference compared to a hardtail bike. The 18-speed drivetrain gives you enough range to handle small hills and flat stretches, and the 26-inch wheels keep the bike feeling compact and easy to maneuver. Now, compared to the other bikes on this list, this one falls behind in 2 big ways. First, it uses rim brakes instead of disc brakes, which means less consistent stopping power, especially if the trail is wet or muddy. Second, the steel frame makes it heavier than aluminum options higher up in our ranking. That extra weight can really show up when you're climbing. If you're brand new to mountain biking and just want something affordable to test the waters, this could be a starting point. But if you're even slightly serious about trail riding, you'll probably want to look at the next options. And by the way, links to all the bikes in this review at the best prices are in the description under the video. In 4th place, we have the CamPingSurvivals CPS-BIKE-448, and this one immediately stands out because it folds. Yes, a full suspension mountain bike that you can actually store in a smaller space. Compared to the previous bike, this one steps things up with the mechanical disc brakes, which give you more reliable stopping power. It also offers a 21-speed drivetrain, so you get a bit more flexibility when climbing hills or picking up speed on flat ground. The different wheel size options let you choose what feels right for your height and riding style, which is a nice touch. But here's the trade-off. Folding frames add complexity, and in most cases, they're not as rigid as a standard non-folding mountain bike frame. When you're riding over rough terrain, frame stiffness matters. On top of that, it's still a steel bike, so it's not exactly lightweight. Compared to the higher-ranked models, it feels more like a convenience-focused bike than a performance-focused one. This is a good pick if you're tight on storage space or want something easier to transport in a car. If performance is your top priority, though, you'll want to keep watching. And if you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point reviews. Taking 3rd place is the Ecarpat all-terrain full suspension mountain bike. This one feels like a more straightforward trail machine compared to the folding option we just talked about. It keeps the 21-speed drivetrain and mechanical disc brakes, which already put it ahead of entry-level rim brake bikes. The full suspension setup helps absorb bumps on uneven trails, and the slightly larger wheel option can give you a bit more stability and smoother rollover on rough ground. For casual weekend rides, this setup is more confidence-inspiring than the lower-ranked models. However, like many budget-friendly bikes, it still uses a steel frame. That means extra weight. And when you compare it to the top model on our list, you'll notice the difference, especially on longer climbs. Also, specs can vary slightly depending on the exact version you buy, so it's important to double-check before ordering. This bike makes sense for riders who want disc brakes and full suspension without going too high in price. But if you want something from a more established brand with slightly stronger overall positioning, our next option might catch your attention. In 2nd place, we have the HILAND model. This one feels like a step up in terms of brand presence and overall consistency. On paper, it offers the same core advantages as the Ecarpat: full suspension, 21 speeds, and mechanical disc brakes. But where it stands out is in its more established brand background. In my experience, that can make a difference when it comes to overall build quality and how the bike feels once properly assembled and tuned. The 26-inch wheels keep it agile and responsive on tighter trails. That said, it's still built around a steel frame, so weight is not its strong suit. Compared to the top-ranked bike, it doesn't offer the lighter aluminum construction or the larger wheel size that can make a ride feel smoother and more efficient. It's solid for recreational trail use, but not designed for aggressive riding. If you want a balanced mid-level full suspension bike from a brand with more visibility, this is a strong contender. But if you're aiming for the best overall combination of frame material, gearing, and trail capability, our number one pick takes it further. And finally, in first place, we have the Schwinn Traxion 29. This is the most well-rounded bike in today's ranking. The biggest upgrade here is the aluminum frame. Compared to all the steel bikes we've covered, aluminum is typically lighter, which makes climbing easier and handling more responsive. Then you've got 29-inch wheels, which roll over rocks and roots more smoothly and give you added stability at higher speeds. Add in a 24-speed drivetrain, and you get the widest gear range in this group. It still uses mechanical disc brakes rather than hydraulic ones, so it's not a high-end competition machine. But compared to every other bike on this list, it offers the best combination of frame material, wheel size, and gearing. For most adult riders who want a reliable full suspension bike for recreational trail use, this one simply checks more boxes. If you're looking for the strongest overall option in this lineup, this is the bike that stands out. If you're ready to upgrade your trail experience, check out the top bikes from today's ranking using the links in the description under the video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest, easy-to-follow reviews.